Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about it.
Jamaican former professional boxer Mike McCallum, he was nicknamed the Bodysnatcher. Did you know this? He now retired in Las Vegas as trainer. His net worth is about $60 million. Mike McCallum was one of the richest boxers and is listed as the most popular boxer. Did you know this? According to our analysis, Wikipedia, Forbes, Business Insider, Mike McCallum net. Mike McCallum was born on December 7, 1956 in Kingston, Jamaica, where he also grew up. The Bodysnatcher is a Jamaican former professional boxer who competed from 1981 to 1997. Did you know this? Mike McCallum held world championships in 3 weight classes, including the WBA's super welterweight title from 1984 to 1988, the WBA middleweight title from 1989 to 1991. Did you know this? Mike McCallum held the WBC light heavyweight title from 1994 to 1995. He was known for his exceptionally durable chin and toughness, and was never stopped in any of his 5 losses. He earned his nickname, the Bodysnatcher, due to his ability to land vicious body punches in fights. Did you know this? Mike McCallum was inducted into the International Boxing Hall of Fame in 2003. In 2011, The Ring magazine ranked him as 8th on their list of the 10 best middleweight title holders of the last 50 years. He was a middleweight division champion with a 49-win-to-5-loss record. Did you know this? Before Mike McCallum fame, as an amateur he fought in the World Championships in Havana and the Pan American Games in Puerto Rico. He was never knocked out in his professional boxing career. August 29, 1992, Tony vs. McCallum. Some would argue that James Toney's first victory over Mike McCallum, which also happened to be his final defense of his middleweight title, and it was considered to be Mike McCallum's greatest performance. Did you know all that? Well, if you didn't know, now you know.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about it. Careface CVP.